Welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio.
Well, welcome back to another episode of Visibility Hacking Radio, where we dive into the world of marketing and sales strategies to help you grow your business. In today's episode, we'll be discussing the power of pre-qualification and how using content can drastically improve your sales process. Plus, I'll be sharing a personal story about a customer who successfully implemented this strategy and saw a significant impact on their sales calls. So buckle up and let's jump in.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
First, let's talk about what pre-qualification is. In sales and marketing, pre-qualification refers to the process of identifying and filtering potential customers based on their likelihood to benefit from and purchase your product or service. By pre-qualifying leads, you can focus your time and resources on those who are more likely to become paying customers, ultimately improving your overall conversion rates. Now let's discuss how content can play a crucial role in pre-qualifying potential customers. By offering valuable, informative content that addresses your target audience's pain points and challenges, you can not only attract the right audience, but also help them self-assess whether your product or service is right for them. This process enables potential customers to enter your sales funnel with a clearer understanding of your offering and the value it brings to them. One of our customers, Sarah, recently shared her experience with implementing a pre-qualification strategy using content. Sarah runs a web design agency, and she was struggling to find the right clients for her business. She was spending a significant amount of time on sales calls, only to discover that many of those prospects were not the right fit for her services. Yeah, put your hand up if that feels like you. To address that issue, Sarah decided to create a series of informative blog posts and free resources that addressed common web design challenges that showcased her expertise. She also incorporated a pre-qualification questionnaire on her website, allowing potential clients to assess their needs and determine whether her services were the right fit for them. And as a result, Sarah noticed a significant shift in the quality of her sales calls. Prospects were now coming to her, already aware of the value she could provide and ready to move forward with her services. This change not only saved her time, but also increased her overall conversion rate. And she was now focusing on her clients who were genuinely interested in her offerings.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Visibility Hacker YouTube channel.
And there you have it, folks. The power of pre-qualification and how leveraging content can transform your sales process. Remember, though, by creating valuable content that addresses your target audience's needs and challenges, you can attract the right customers, pre-qualify them, and improve your overall sales and conversion rates. Until next time.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.